In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop people from seeing that you viewed their profile on TikTok. That is so simple and easy, and let's begin. First, open up your TikTok application and then get in your profile, tap on your profile icon right here at the bottom right, and then tap on that eye icon just beside your name. If you got no eye icon, make sure you updated your TikTok application to the latest version. So I tap on that icon and here I see the list of profile views. That's the list of people who viewed my profile and who enabled profile views feature. To enable or disable that feature, tap on that gear icon, and here I see that profile view history on my account is enabled. If this feature is enabled, I can see who viewed my profile and another people can see me in their profile views list. So to stop people from seeing that I viewed their profile on TikTok, I need to disable profile view history feature. That's how it works, and I hope it was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.